Chainlink's price increased over 50% from this last lows, but will we finally see the bullish breakout or do we fall to even lower prices? In this video I will talk about Chainlink and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, Chainlink and all cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So as you can see, after the last high we saw this crash for Chainlink. From the top to the bottom we saw a move about 63%. But right now we first retested this last demand zone, which was the start of this upwards move. And often in demand zones, the chances high that big players here came into the market, pushed the price to the upside. And if we come into this zone and see a bullish reaction, then the chances high that big players are defending these positions and that we can continue the bullish trend from this zone. And of course, this is first a very bullish price action because we saw this long wick. We took some stop positions right here and we saw this first bullish move. And right now it's very important that we can continue to rise from these prices. If we are seeing a decrease in price and seeing here lower prices again, then the chances high that we come back into this demand zone. And if we are finding acceptance under this demand zone, then the chances high that we can see even lower prices. As long as we are not breaking this demand zone, I think the chance is higher that we can continue the bullish momentum. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, you can see we made this last high right here. We broke this important supply zone to the upside, which is a really bullish sign. And right now, as I said, we retested this last demand zone right here, which is a very bullish sign. And we had this bear market range right here. This highs around $9.50 and we perfectly retested it with this wick and saw this bullish reaction. So if we can now see bullish prices again, I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices, start the bull run, especially if Bitcoin and the crypto market is also going to the upside. And then of course we have some very interesting long positions right here for the future. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on Chainlink because as you can see, it's on place 14 of all cryptocurrencies. It's very established. And as we can see, we have a market cap of $6 billion. So the chance that this coin is going to zero is very low. So it's a less risky investment in my opinion in comparison to the other cryptos, because the bigger the crypto is, the less risky it is. Of course, we can't make 100x on Chainlink in this cycle, but I think we have a lot of potential to the upside. And now it's very important that we can actually break this last high. If we are breaking this high, maybe retest it, it would be a great chance to get into Chainlink again. And if we also break this last high, then of course the chance is very high that we can see the bullish explosion, because from this high we saw this lower low. So we are still in this bearish structure, as you can see. And if we can break this high, then the chance is high that we are in a bullish structure on the daily time frame again. And right now we are retesting this last zone right here at nearly $10. And if we can hold this one, then I think the chance is high that we will rise and go to this price target at $12.60. If we are losing this $10 mark, then I think the chance is high that we are retesting this last wick and this demand zone. And then of course we have the chance to get into long positions right here if we are seeing bullish price action. If we are breaking through this demand zone, then I think the chance is high, as I said, that we are seeing lower prices. But if we can hold in this demand zone, then of course this would be a really nice chance for me to buy some Chainlink between $7 and $8. And if you want to buy Chainlink, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC on very low trading fees. And if you are using my link, you get up to 20% rebate on the trading fees. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.